Hi guys, welcome back to Addy's Growing Up video. Yes, it is the same day
as our last video. Which was the Calico Critters guinea pig stroller thing.
Yeah, and so I went into my bedroom and my elf is still here. So her name's Bubblegum and she's a pink elf because I named her Bubblegum. That's why I named her Bubblegum, because she's pink. Okay, anyways, she was holding this, but she wasn't holding it before.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Because
so
my
what
elf is amazing.
Your elf is amazing?
I have 8 elves or 9.
Oh, wow. So what did you get? Show us the front. What is it called? This is the Calico Critters Baby Choo Choo Train. Babies love fun train rides, and it includes Jason Cuddle Bear, right?
Jason Cuddle Bear. Jason Cuddle Bear. So let's just get right in.
Let's get in there.
Oh. Oh, so it includes
stickers with, what is this? Oh, that's the little train track.
It's a platform. Oh, here is Jason Cuddle Bear person. That person. Bear person. He's a bear person. So here's Jason Cuddle Bear. Where's my playhouse? So leave the puppy. Oh, here's the boy.
Why don't you get your hat? Here's some little, I guess like a little train depot. And where's the train? There's the train there.
There's the train. Where's the train? Where's the train? Oh, there's the speaker. Be right there. I'm back. I did some researching.
You did some research? Was that the extent of your research?
Yes, that's the books about research.
Here's your train depot.
I need the scissors.
You want to need the scissors?
Need the scissors. I have my mom behind the camera. She always does the videos. Say hi.
Hello. Watch your fingers, please.
That's my mom. She always records me. So she's always behind the camera.
Always record your craziness. Well, what, honey, why don't we open this first? Because some of those stickers are going to go on here. You want me to open that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready?
We're back.
Okay, I'm sorry, but yes. Look.
Okay, so get the little section open. Let's see. Where's your picture? Is this it?
No. Let me do some researching. Okay.
Let's see what this says on the back. It says, all babies aboard for an exciting train ride. Features Jason Cuddle Bear, train, railway station, crossing gate, and signal.
I'm ready.
Crossing gate moves up and down, and it seats 2 critters. Right?
Okay. So that's my research.
Oh, let's see what this says. That's the same thing. Okay. All right, and here, that picture will help you. Your stickers. 12 or 1? It's 119. Or no, it's 1219.
Okay, so I'm putting the sticker on.
That one's been fixed.
Excuse me, that is back. So.
You get those stickers on there fast, girl. Here's the little train. The pink train.
Now, so you pop this in like that. Now we need the fourth sticker.
Here's the station. She has the stickers on the station.
No, one more.
Where does that one go? Doing pretty good with those stickers.
They messed up. I'm very bad at messing up.
Got it. So we're going to put the rest of the stickers on and then we'll come back.
Yeah.
Okay?
Aha, we're back. So, yeah.
So we got all the stickers on.
Yes, you can.
There they all were.
I got really yeah.
Now here is the whole set. And it can hold one more baby in the back.
See?
And right now she has the gate down because the train's getting ready to cross. See, the gate works. So the wheels don't actually turn.
No.
And I was afraid that it wouldn't actually go around the track all that well, but it goes around pretty well. Don't you think?
Yes.
So there it is.
Yes.
Calico critters.
Adios, gummigos.
Baby choo-choo train.
Adios, gummigos.
See you next time.
Bye. Like and subscribe, and hopefully turn that subscribe button on. See you later. Bye, guys. Bye.